Really quick, before you sign off of this video, sorry for the cringe in my voice. I don't actually sound like this in real life. By the way, my name is... I don't know. But still, I'm sorry for all the videos I made with this cringy voice. My voice does not actually sound like this. But comment down below if you think my voice is retarded or cringy, I don't know. So, that's really all I wanted to tell you. So, please put down in the comments if my voice sounds cringy, which I know it does because I've listened to one of my videos and it really sounds cringy. Sorry.